AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 exam dumps questions have been cracked, which are valuable for you to study all the related topics. Share some AWS Certified CLF-C02 exam dumps questions here. 1. A company is considering a migration from on-premises to the AWS cloud. The company's IT team needs to offload support of the workload. What should the IT team do to accomplish this goal? A. Use AWS managed services to provision, run, and support the company infrastructure. B. Build hardware refreshes into the operational calendar to ensure availability. C. Use Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS, on Amazon EC2 instances. D. Over-provision compute capacity for seasonal events and traffic spikes to prevent downtime. 2. A user is a new AWS account owner who has no special access requirements. What should this user do with the AWS account root user access keys? A. Share the keys with all relevant internal users so that those users can programmatically access AWS services. B. Post the keys on GitHub to provide development teams with access to AWS services. C. Use the keys for access, but do not share the keys with anyone. D. Delete the keys and create IAM users. 3. Which of the following are advantages of the AWS cloud? Select 2. A. AWS management of user-owned infrastructure. B. Ability to quickly change required capacity. C. High economies of scale. D. Increased deployment time to market. E. Increased fixed expenses. 4. A company wants to secure its consumer web application by using SSL, TLS to encrypt traffic. Which AWS service can the company use to meet this goal? A. AWS WAF. B. AWS Shield. C. Amazon VPC. D. AWS Certificate Manager, ACM. 5. Which AWS services provide high availability across multiple availability zones by default? Select 2. A. Amazon EC2. B. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS. C. Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS. D. Amazon Redshift. E. Amazon S3. 6. A company needs to deploy an Amazon EC2 instance and attach a storage mount for the operating system and application files. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? A. AWS Backup. B. Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS. C. Amazon S3. D. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS. 7. Which of the following describes AWS local zones? A. A cluster of data centers in one geographic location. B. A site used by Amazon CloudFront to cache frequently accessed content. C. An extension of an AWS region to more granular locations. D. One or more data centers with redundant power and networking. 8. A company is reviewing the current costs of running its own infrastructure on-premises. The company wants to compare these on-premises costs to the costs of running infrastructure in the AWS cloud. How should the company make this comparison? A. Review the AWS shared responsibility model. B. Audit existing software and hardware licensing costs. C. Analyze the AWS well-architected framework. D. Use Migration Evaluator. 9. A company is moving its virtual machines, VMs, from an on-premises environment to the AWS cloud. The company plans to deploy Amazon EC2 instances. Which cloud computing model will the company use in this scenario? A. Platform as a Service, PaaS. B. Infrastructure as a Service, LaaS. C. Function as a Service, FaaS. D. Software as a Service, SaaS. 10. What is a benefit of using AWS serverless computing? A. Application deployment and management are not required. B. Application security will be fully managed by AWS. C. Monitoring and logging are not needed. D. Management of infrastructure is offloaded to AWS.